Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can get order data. That means if you want ascending or descending order data, you can do it. So let's just start our video. We have already fetched our values which is containing Krish value in name column. So let's just work with that. Now if I want a descending order based on ID column, right, this one, I want the 6 ID first, then 5, then 4th. In that situation you have to just write order by in your query and your column name, because I want ID in descending order, so I'm just putting ID here, and then I'm just mentioning order just because I want descending order, that's why I'm just mentioning DESC, which means descending. Okay, let's just execute our file. Now you can see, now I got ID 6 first, then 5, then 4. Now if I want all the values in descending order, so I need to do one thing. I have to just I need to remove my condition so that I can get all the results. Now let's just execute again. Now you will see I got all the results in descending order because I have not mentioned any condition, so that's why it is not filtering a data, and I'm getting all the results in descending order. But in my case, in my situation, if I want name in descending order, now you can see I have a value as well. I have also values which starts with x values. So I want a name in descending order. So let's just again execute the file. Now you can see I got the result where name is in descending order. X, then M, then K, and then A. But if I want name in ascending order, so you do one thing, you have to replace ASC with DESC. ASC, which means ascending. So now you can see, now our query select all from user info order by name ASC. Okay, let's just execute our file. Clear. And now you can see, sorry, I have not saved my file. Okay, so let's just execute again. Now you can see, now name is in ascending order. Now your ID is maybe in some random order, 7, 6, 4, 5 again, and 8, because you have set your name in ascending order, so other columns may be in some random order. If I want, again I want ID in ascending order, then I just need to change my column name here. Now let's just execute again. Now you can see ID is in ascending order. Now name column is again in some random order. Now that's it from this video, and please don't forget the like our video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.